Here I'm going to unbox this Comgrow filament dryer. I needed a filament dryer as I was having issues of my filament retaining water. I thought about going the food dehydrator route, and then I saw this Comgrow unit come across my news feed with a pretty reasonable coupon. So I ordered it, and it was $58.65 delivered here in California. Seemed like it could handle a couple spools and had settings for drying different kinds of filament. Anyway, here's my unboxing and setup. Okay, here we're gonna unbox this Comgrow filament dryer. Having problems with some of my 3D prints, and thought I would order this and help it out. Most of my friends are using food dryers, but as I looked into it, there was a good deal on this, and I thought I would get this and try it instead of trying to use a food dehydrator. So let's unbox this thing, take a look what it looks like. Slide it out. It's very well packed. Stuff in here, packing material. Looks like it's got these little latches open up, control panel, power, hinges. It's very well packed. Feels a little cheapy plastic, but nothing worse than most stuff I've seen. Looks like maybe the power supply. Yeah, looks like the power supply. The foam out of here. Looks like it's got rollers that the filament can roll on, and a heating element down here, and a fan. Because there's one fan, heating element, controller. Now to get the foam out of here. Alright, there's the foam. Latch this down. Let's go get some filament and see what it looks like. Okay, just grabbed a couple random filaments. A PETG and an ABS. Just to see what they'll fit. This spool is a little wider and doesn't look like it's gonna fit on the rollers here. It'll go in and it'll probably latch. But I don't know if this particular spool would roll. This one will roll on the rollers. This one's a bit too wide. It'll dry at least. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Okay, power. Temperature, time. Well, I think it's at this point I need to read the manual and figure out how to set it. It's making a slight sound here. definitely want to check it out to see on some of the filament where I can feed the filament out of here and run it directly into the printer. I think it's going to work out really well for things like nylon and TPU. Anyway, that's the unboxing. Okay, I'm reading the manual now. And it says it'll do one spool that's greater than 150 millimeters and two spools of 70 millimeters, less than 70 millimeters. So I guess it's fine. I mean, in this case, I think that one left spool on the left, the red spool, is a little bit bigger than 70 millimeters. It'll both fit in there, but it just won't feed automatically through the holes. So anyway, I'm gonna play with this and dry some filament and give it some prints and see what kind of difference it makes, and maybe even try feeding the filament directly from the box into the printer, and we'll see how it does.